find the units digit in 3 to the power 100. So we know that 3 raised to 0 that is equal to 1, 3 raised to 1 that is equal to 3, 3 square that is equal to 9, 3 cube which is equal to 27, 3 raised to 4 which is equal to 81, 3 raised to 5 which is equal to 243. Now on observation you can see that when the power was equal to 0 we have the units placed as 1, when the power was equal to 1 we have units placed as 3, when it is 2 it is 9, when it is 3 it is 7, when it is 4 it is again 1, when it is 5 it is 3, it's again 3. So this cycle repeats after 4. So after each 4 the cycle turns to repeat. So the next term that will be equal to 9 and the next term that will be equal to 7, and this is going on so on so on. So we know that after each 4 cycle the same stuff will happen. Now I am dividing my 100 with 4. On division of 100 with 4 we have our remainder as 0 because 100 is divisible by 4 and it is equal to 25 multiplied with 4. So the remainder that is 0. So the remainder term that is 0, so our units place that will be always equal to 1. So the unit of 3 to the power 100 that must be equal to 1. Next one, express the following in exponential form. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write this as 7 to the power 6. It is not 6 multiplied with 7. It is 7 to the power 6. We are multiplying 7 6 times. So that is equal to 7 to the power 6. If you are multiplying 7 2 times, that is equal to 7 square. If you are multiplying 7 3 times, that is 7 cube. If you are multiplying 7 n times, that is equal to 7 to the power n. Now here you have a multiplied with a and b multiplied with b multiplied with b. So you have a 2 times. So that is a square multiplied with b cube. Next one, here we have 2 3, 3 7 and 2 11. So you can write this one as 3 square multiplied with 7 cube multiplied with 11 square. Next one here 2 8, 3b and 4c. So you can write this one as a square multiplied with b cube multiplied with c to the power 4. Next one, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponents. Okay. So here you have negative 5 the whole cube divided by negative 5 the whole raised to 4. So you can write this in normal form, negative 5 whole raised to 3 divided by negative 5 whole raised to 4. Here you have same base and different exponent. So we have negative 5 whole raised to 3 into a raised to m minus n. So 3 minus 4. So this is equal to minus 5 whole raised to minus 1, which is equal to, you can write this one as minus 1 by 5 because this is a negative term. So you are taking negative outside, and 5 whole raised to minus 1 which is same as 1 by 5. So the answer will be negative 1 by 5. Okay. Next one, minus 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 2 to the power 5. So this is equal to minus 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now this is a negative 2 whole to the power 4. I have already said that negative 2 whole raised to 4, it is also of the form negative 1 into 2 whole raised to 4. So negative 1 to the power 4, 4 is an even number, so the terms will be cancelling. I mean there will be no negative terms, we will be always having positive term. Our answer is free from negative ones when it is even numbers. So now we have only 2 raised to 4 into 2 to the power into 1 by 2 to the power 5. So we have 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 5. So you can write this as 2 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 5. Now this is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 5, which is equal to 2 raised to minus 1, and you can write this the term as 1 by 2. 2 to the power minus 1, that is same as 1 by 2. Now 3 raised to minus 2 multiplied with 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 5 raised to minus 2. So 3 raised to minus 2 into, you can write this term as 5 raised to minus 3 divided by 5 raised to minus 2. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to 3 raised to minus 2 into a raised to m plus n. So negative 3 plus 2. This entire term turns to be negative 3 plus 2, which is equal to negative 1. And you have a negative 2 here. So 3 raised to negative 2 into 5 raised to minus 1, which is equal to 5 raised to minus 1, that is same as 1 by 5. So 3 raised to minus 2 divided by 1 by 5. into 1 by 5. Next one, 3 raised to minus 2, the whole raised to minus 2 divided by 1 by 3 raised to minus 4. So what is this? 3 raised to minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 3 raised to 4. A into B, AB. So negative 2 into negative 2, positive 4, divided by 1 by 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to minus 4. So this is equal to, or notation we can write this as something like this, 3 raised to 4 divided by 1 by 3 raised to minus 4. Now how can we divide two fractions? We are multiplying by its reciprocal. So 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 1, because the reciprocal of 1 by 3 raised to minus 4, that is 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 1. Now this is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n, and that is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 4 minus 4, which is equal to 3 raised to 0. So the answer must be equal to 1. Now 3 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 3 raised to minus 2. Okay. So this is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 square. Okay. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 square, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 square is same as 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Now I can cancel out 1 by 3 from both numerator and denominator. So we are free with 1 by 4 upon 1 by 3. Now what is 1 by 4 upon 1 by 3? For dividing two fractions, we are multiplying with its reciprocal. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. Which one is greater, 3 to the power 5 or 9 square? So we know that 9 square, that is nothing but 3 square. So 3 square the whole square, 3 square the whole square. What is 3 square the whole square? It is a to the power m the whole raised to n, which is a raised to mn. So that is equal to 2 into 2. So 3 to the power 4. So here you have 3 to the power 4. So which one is bigger, 3 raised to 5 or 3 raised to 4? So 3 raised to 5 is bigger. So we have 3 raised to 5 greater than 3 raised to 4.